we're off down the coast. We're going to go and see if I can fix the bearings on my boat, fuel, take a battery, make sure she starts. We haven't been down for about, well, it hasn't even touched the water for 18 months. I know the bearings have gone. I've got 2 sets of bearings, whether they fit or not. If not, I'll have to bring a set of bearings back and get them made up. So we're going to have a picnic as well on the beach. We're going to have, what we're going to have? Chicken breasts in chili sauce. So if you want to come along, please do. I'm not going to film all the way down there or anything like that. I'm just going to wait till we get there. So it's a couple hours, and then we'll go from there. And there's Janie coming right now. Oh, she's come that way round. Okay, catch you in a bit. Now, where we're going, we're still closed. We've just got permission to come down and sort the boat out. That's what we're doing. But look at this.
Oh, somebody's in our favourite spot.
Oh yeah. So whoever else is here has just come to work on the boat. You can stay overnight on the boat, and that's it. And we can't because there's no room in our boat. So we're just going to do some work, and then I suppose we could. Very quiet. Right.
Straight the mattress.
Looks like Charlotte, the boat's coming in. Look, he's been out to get his lobsters. Can you see?
Oh yeah.
Well, it's tanking, isn't he?
It's Silveridge down there.
Yeah, it's not
Well, it's
always
not.
Richard. It could be James as well.
Sea Dreams.
Yeah.
Good.
Moves the road. There she is coming in.
That's bollocks.
Tide's on its way out. Right, let's go and check on the out beast. There she is. We'll park up and chill for a bit. Take the cover off and have a look.
Move that one.
What big bugs we got. I can't do that. No. That's what I'll do. That'll pull me in here.
Did you? Looks like they've moved it.
Yeah. And there we go. Not in bad condition because we haven't been down. So she's been stood for 18 months at least, I think. We got a bit of grime on it. I'm just going to probably fire the engine up. It hasn't been fired up for what hasn't been fired up. So made the biggest mistake of all time. And if you can see that, and I forgot all about it. They got to be cleaned as well, but that's the problem. I forgot to bring the locking nut to undo the wheels. This is the one bearing that's gone. So I've got stuff out that I need to get out. Fuel, of course, doesn't want to stay in here because any longer it'll go off, so I'm going to treat that. Got some bits and bobs, and I'll probably put the battery in. I brought the battery with me, so we'll fire the engine up and see how she runs. Let's see if the hydraulics work as well. I'll probably be selling this, I think, because silly just standing here doing nothing. She's in good nick as well. Nice, let's get him in. Oh, he positive, negative. Okay. Just see if she just, I'm not going to start her up just yet. I'm going to get the water going to see if she turns over. On. Nothing. Forgot about the isolation switch. Try again. Oh, beautiful. Right, let's get some water pumping into it. I've come to the conclusion I'm having a bad day. This is what happens. Can you see that? Oh, I can see that. If that's all blurred or not, I can't tell. But fuel is pouring out. I'm going to try and get some in there, but I think we've had it. Okay, I think I might have got some fuel in the carb. That might be enough. But the pump is, the little hand pump is absolutely perished. Okay, we've got some water coming through. That's pouring because that's perished as well. Oh my God, come on. Look at this. Right, let's see if she fires up. If you push her in a little bit, that gives a little bit of choke, shouldn't need any. And then, ooh, we had a bit of a bit more choke. Might want a bit more fuel, but I don't know we're going to get much in there, to be honest with you. Just prime it again. Woohoo! We got life. We got life. Sheer luck. Oh. Yes, I have. There she is. That's strong, look at that. Oh well, shot. Let's just try the hydraulics. Yay! Brilliant. Water in the lid there, see that coming out? We'll have a look at that now. I think it's just water in the lid, I think. Yeah, water in the lid. All greased up like I did, left it last the year before. Holy moly, for a long time. Sounds good. Oh, I've got to change the plugs as well. We've got new plugs to go in. See them? Thanks, guys. Brilliant. Get round here, because I want to get the soap. Filled up with oil, two strokes. Let it run for a bit. Chuffed with that. Should be a hydraulic button on the side as well. There we go. Slip that work. So I need a new, definitely need a new one of them. Absolutely see the crack in it. Just pumping fuel through now, lucky enough. Whee! So on here you have a button which you can disengage the gears, so you can throttle up without the gears. You stop, which is your up and down trim. This is for beginners. So I'm just going to try, I don't know if I can do it now with, I can't do it holding this, but hold on a sec. So I think we're not far off. I might leave the battery, come down next weekend and must remember the brackets. Engines tested. Just a quick go. Make sure isolation. Let's turn that on. It's off. It's fine. Isolation off. I think I've done. I'll start tidying up. Put all this stuff away. Put that out the way. Safe. Screwdrivers. Fuel. Don't need that. Right. Let's pack up. I've just jacked that up and tried to turn it. It's absolutely, it's not sea solid. It's like you wouldn't last 2 minutes down the road. It would absolutely totally collapse and then you'd be in trouble. So good job. There we go. Right, just packing it all up now, wrap it away. I'm going to put some fuel treatment in because depending what happens now, we don't know when she's open next or when we'll be back down. Hopefully next weekend and I'll get these bearings done. But if not, I'll put some fuel treatment in with me. This is a 30 litre fuel tank. It's called a Hulk. I've got another one in the other boat. Oh, hold on, let's get this one done. So I would say it's approximately, there's a good 25 litres in there. Easy, yeah, about 25 litres. And this treats 25 litres. So what this does, it stops the fuel from going stale and crystallising the carb. I've got some other stuff which I will tell you about in another video. What they call it, 360. And what that does, that'll treat this will treat a whole bottle of this is £7, and that'll treat 25 litres. Whereas the 360 stuff, someone pointed me to, another subscriber said, you need to do this, mate, and he passed it on to me, and it treats 80 gallons. For a same size bottle. Always leave your pressure cap open, okay? Because it's a lot of pressure. All right, that's it. Okay, there we go. It's a shame, but I've another giving because I need to remember that lock-in nut undoer thingy jobby. I need some WD-40. I think I bought some. No, there's some in there. That's okay because they ain't coming off. Engine's good. Hydraulics good. Done the fuel, treated the fuel. Cover back on. It's good cover that. Not even made for it properly, but I made it fit, so it's quite good. Yeah, chuffed. Pumps water well. I'll show you a nice view. And before anybody says no, we're not allowed. We are allowed to be here, but we're not allowed to stay. We must go by tonight. It is not open. This campsite is not open. A lot of you'll guess where it is, but it doesn't matter. It's only because we have permission because we have a boat down here, which we pay in moorings for, but we've not even used. So they let us come and do some work on it, and then we must leave. And that's it. And that is, look at that. Everyone's a little bit of a treat. Try and keep it still. There we go. And we're all in the same, we're trying to get back to this. It'd be lovely, wouldn't it? Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. That would be great. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Maybe next weekend if I can get these bearings off. It's a lovely sound, isn't it? Alright, so I need the make of the trailer, if I got a number on that, to make sure I got the right bearings. I don't know if that'll make any difference, but I'll just take a photo while I'm here.